last session I have given you a numerical on cost sheet. As you people have already done so many numerical on cost sheet, you know that in cost sheet we need the cost of direct material, labor and wages to come to prime cost. Then we add all the expenses which are related with factory to come to factory cost. Then, or known as work cost. Then we add all the office and administrative overhead to arrive at cost of production, and lastly the selling overheads to arrive at cost of goods sold. So in this numerical, the thing is that opening stock of raw material is given, which you can see also on the first heading. Then purchases, carriage inward and freight. All the expenses which are related with materials are added over here, and we have subtracted the material destroyed by fire because it's an expense and we have to subtract it. And then we have to less closing stock of raw material to arrive at raw material consumed. Meaning in some question we have we see the direct figures of direct raw material consumed, then we write directly all these things. But if there are so many adjustments are given and different components are given, then we add all the expenses related with the material and we subtract all the losses to arrive at direct material consumed. And now comes the wages part, which is already given. We got the prime cost. Okay. Then we have factory overheads. In factory overhead, we have written all the expenses related with the factory, like consumable stores, wages, depreciation, repair, power. We will add all these to get the factory expenses. This will add on to 4,99,860. Then we add opening stock of work in progress and closing stock of work in progress to arrive at the work cost. Okay. Similarly, we have done office and administrative overheads. Office and administrative overhead, this subheading include all the expenses related with the office and administration of the organization, which you can see in the circle which I am drawing. It has office manager salary, salary of office staff, printing, legal aids, light for office building. All the expenses are given over here. We add all the expenses to get cost of production. Opening stock of finished good has to be added, and we subtract the closing stock of finished good to arrive at the cost of good sold. So after arriving at cost of goods sold, we have also added all the selling expenses. These are the selling expenses, which include carriage outward, entertainment, warehousing charges, expenses in industrial exhibition. So we have added all these also. So we will come to cost of sales. In this question, it is given that the profit is 25% on cost of sales. So this is cost of sales, and we have taken out 25% of this, which comes to 1,38,355. So the selling price is 6,91,775. So in this way we do such kinds of question. But earlier in the class or in the college, I have taken numerical of cost sheet which doesn't have all those components, but in some question we have all those components. So it is not like difficult. What we have to do when we are like calculating selling office expenses, then we will add all the office expenses. In selling, we divide all the selling expenses. In factory overhead, we will write down all the factory overhead. And similarly, we just what we have to do, we have to segregate all the expenses on the basis of their nature, whether it's selling, official, factory or material, and then we solve such kinds of numerical. So I hope this will give you an idea how to solve such kind of questions of cost sheet. Thank you.